Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to screen share on WhatsApp. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are inside WhatsApp, head to the call section. Now, find and tap on the user you want to call. When the call is active, look for the share screen button. Upon tapping the share screen button, you will notice a pop-up for the iOS screen broadcast. This means everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Next, if you tap on the share screen icon again, you will get the option to start broadcast. By selecting this, you initiate the process of sharing your screen with the person on the other end of the call. To show you, I will open my Safari app and let us say I am searching for Apple. Everything you do on your mobile screen will now be visible to the person you are calling. Then tap on the person's call screen that appears on your screen, usually in a little box. To stop sharing your screen, you can tap on Stop Sharing. If you accidentally turn off the screen sharing, don't worry, you can always tap on the screen share button again to resume. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.